Just learn music at justlearnmusic.com.
The stave. What you see is a set of 5 lines spaced equally one above the other. These parallel lines are your musical staff. On this staff, we place all the symbols that we need for you to know how to read and write music. The lines are always numbered 1 to 5. The line at the bottom will be numbered 1, and each one after that subsequently will be 2, 3, 4, and the highest line on the top will be number 5. With the numbers of the lines also come the numbers of the space. 5 lines generate 4 spaces, and these 4 spaces are numbered in a similar way from the lower to the upper. The first space is between line 1 and 2. That's called your first space. Second space between line 2 and 3. The third space between line 3 and 4. And the fourth space between line 4 and 5. Note heads. The note head is an oval-shaped figure that is placed somewhere either on a line or in between 2 lines, something like this. When notes are written cutting the line, they would look somewhat like this. Note heads that are placed in a space. These would look somewhat like this. We must be aware that we can place these note heads even above or below the musical staff, like this. High and low notes. High notes will be written on the higher numbers of lines and spaces, and the low notes would be written on the lower numbers of lines and spaces. Most note heads in music have a stem. This stem is a line that extends from the note head on one side and moves either vertically upwards or downwards, depending on certain conditions.
Just learn music at justlearnmusic.com.